What's up everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mills Kicks, and I'm here to make the review on the Yeezy Boost 350 V2 MX Oats. At first look, you're gonna think that the shoe is just your regular 350, but once you're done with my video, you'll see the little differences and the intricacies that Kanye and Adidas put into this one. And the review is coming up right now. So as you guys can see, the shoes are very loud, and I mean, they got that blue in there, you got the orange, you got like that oak color and like a little bit of goldish yellowish that you got going on in the shoe. But it's a really dope shoe. So we're gonna get started first with the box. Size 12.5, MX GOAT, MX GOAT, MX GOAT. Boost on the side, 350 on the top, like all. And of course on this side, bottom does not have anything like always. So let's pull these bad boys out and see what we got. And here they are, the MX Oats. These are clean, man. They did a great job with these, man. You just don't, you can't, I don't know if you can see if the camera's picking it up or not, but the blueprint in here has like a shine to it. But it's only the blueprint. The rest of the shoe is basically your basic knit upper. Nothing crazy with the knit upper, but it's really dope. And then you got your midsole. It kind of has like, it's like see-through in there, so you can see it straight through. Your outsole. Your outsole is your typical Yeezy Boost outsole. The laces have like a covering over them. Let me see if the camera picks it up. I don't know if you can see it from there, but it has like a covering on the laces. It's pretty dope. I just can't stop looking at this upper, man. This upper is crazy, yeah. Y'all see this? The pattern is dope. The pattern, what they did is they took essentially the pattern from the foam runners like the Moon Rocks and the Mineral Blues, and they applied that same pattern to the Yeezy, but as you can see, it looks a lot more crazy. With more than just two colors. They got about 3-4 colors going on in here, and it's pretty dope. You got the insole. The insole is like an oak color with that like dark oak brownish kind of color on there for the Adidas Yeezy. Then you got these little plastic tips right here. These are like the plastic coverings that they put on them. Of course, you got that see-through stripe that goes across like always on the Yeezy Boost. And on the heel tab, as you can see, it's like a clear oak heel tab. You can usually see right through it. I don't know if you guys are picking up my finger or not. There, you see, there it is. See how clear the pull tab is? You can actually see my finger from the other side. But this is pretty dope, man. This is a dope pickup. And if you made it to the end of this video, make sure you like, comment. It helps the algorithm, helps put me up there, trying to get back on my YouTube game and keep things moving, man. When I get a new pair, fresh pair, I will be posting reviews on them. I got a couple pairs coming in that I'm gonna be doing a review on soon. Look out for that. And that, I just want to say, catch you on the next one. Stay fresh.